Hi, today I would like to introduce our approach for Dataset-JSON viewer. OpenData.json is a web application using Next.js, and we deploy it on Vercel, so you can click this link and to open it on Vercel like this, or you can install the whole package from our GitHub repository and implement it on your local device. So we have two choices of uploading data. You can either upload the whole folder, or you can upload files, and you can multi-select them, whichever files you like. For this demo, I will upload the whole example folder. And we will have support to both JSON and NDJSON file. And for this demo, I'll use NDJSON. So it's just like that and import. On the left-hand side, you can select folder. And when you hover your mouse, you can see some metadata of that folder. And on the top tab, you can switch between files. And here, you can switch to show labels or names. And when you hover your mouse into the file name, we will load some metadata for you. And by the way, we also read the define XML. If you have that on your folder, it will detect that automatically. And the second one is the dataset frequency overview. So here you can see how many unique value of each column. And where there are too many unique values, we will show there are too many unique values to display, and we won't show them. And the upper limit is 100. And here you can see the frequency of each possible values. I hope this can make user have a better overview of the whole data set. You can choose to show or hide a certain column by using this list. And you can change the order of column by just drag and drop the 6-dot part. And the first column will always be stick there. The first column will always stick there while you're scrolling right. And you can change the order of column to change what is in the first column. Then you can have a better view of the data. And now I'd like to show you our filter feature. So our filter is very SAS-like, and so you can write things in SAS style and apply filter, and it will shows all the matching rows. And if you don't want to write your own query, you can use this filter builder. So in this filter, you can do all these operations, and if you do in, and you can see all the possible values here with their frequency, and it will write the filter string for you. You can apply it, and it will show the results. If you want to write further query, you can copy it from here, and then add more conditions, like this. In our filter builder, we also have a feature to save filter. So for example, if we have these selections, and we can save this as filter 4, and maybe we can apply it. You can see now it's 126 rows, and we can use other filter we saved earlier and apply it. With or without filter, you can sort your table by any column. And you can adjust the priority of them. And you can either sort from small to large or large to small. Or you can remove some of them. Because this is a web app, so you can use it in almost any device. And we implement it with responsive design. As you can see, when we resize the screen, it will adapt the UI to match the screen size, and you can still use all the functionality we have. So from now on, you can almost reviewing Dataset-JSON on your iPad, lying on your couch, or even you can maybe use an iPhone to review it. We also have the ability to handle large files. So for 100,000 level, we can handle it correctly, and all the feature you can use it. But there's still a limit for it. For 1 million rows level files, we cannot handle it. And currently the maximum limit is set to 460,000 rows. at the end, I'd like to spend a moment to thank everybody. Special thanks to Joseph. His smart data sets viewer gave me a lot of inspiration. And thank you to Dmitry for sharing his code to generate test data. It's really helpful during the development process. And also thanks to Omar, Lex, and Sam being always so supportive and sharing all informations and organize everything and always answering my stupid questions. And big thanks to everyone in our Q&A session and the Dataset-JSON meeting. Even though I almost never speak, your discussion really helped me understand what we need.